Let's make an Arm-Mex
Ghapama. Chorizo jalapeno Ghapama. Oh yeah. Hey John, Ghapama. Ghapama.
Pumpkin. Wait, how do you say it in Spanish?
Calabaza?
Calabaza?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Ghapama.
Pumpkin.
Scrape out all the insides.
It's a jack-o'-lantern.
1 cup of rice.
Arroz. Your bar sky, put some red stuff in it.
Guajillo chili. We gotta cook it.
Yeah.
Chorizo.
Pull it. Oh.
A little bit more. Oh. Chorizo.
Me gusta. Onions.
Cebolla. Salt.
Salt.
Bell peppers.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Suctor.
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 Suctor. Garlic.
We mix it with the chorizo. I'm the lyrical gangsta. Mix it up. Cumin.
You can cumin too. What's in the box?
Rice.
Arroz.
Rice in the chorizo. Can you smell?
Is it me? Stuff it.
Whoa.
Look at that. I'm cooking, guys.
Into the oven at 375. What's she doing? After 1 hour in the oven? Oh yeah.
So hot.
Oh. Little cilantro. Oh yeah. Cheers.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Dude,
So
that's
good.
amazing.
Wow,
The
this is
chorizo.
good. Yeah.
The spice. Catch that at the next Arm-Mex event. Dude. That's it.